On today's show, we're going to be unboxing the Batman Hush statue from Prime 1 Studio. That's up next. Alright guys, welcome back, and like I said, today we're going to be unboxing this amazing statue from Prime 1 Studio. This, of course, is the Batman Hush, which is taken directly from the pages right here of one of my favorite Batman books of all time. I absolutely love Jim Lee. I love the writing from this book. I love all the characters. And whenever Prime 1 announced that they were going to be doing the statue, I was very excited because I absolutely love this version of Batman. So I cannot wait to get into this box. But before we do, I'm going to ask, if you haven't already subscribed to this channel, please hit that subscribe button and also click that notification bell. That way you're notified anytime that I upload new content. And also, if you would give a like to this video, that does help people just like you find this content. So I appreciate that from the bottom of my heart. Okay, so let's get into this box now, okay? So the box art on the front looks really good. It is, I love this gray and blue. I just love the way they did this with this box. You can see that the actual statues on the front looks really good here. And then as we go around the side, it just has kind of a gray with the black bats. Looks good. On the back, you know, a lot of the statues lately that I've gotten in has actually had all the artists listed. This particular one doesn't, so that's okay, but I really like when Prime 1 does that. So Prime 1, if you're watching, keep doing that. It's really a cool feature. The other side here is the gray with the black again, not anything different from the other side. And then, of course, the top. I do want to mention this is number 218 out of 750 exclusive. And here is the top of the box. Again, I really like that they're doing the gray and the black and the blue. Looks really good and definitely is something different that they haven't done before. This is the smaller of the two boxes. They are identical, so I just wanted to show you this one. But again, we're not here to look at boxes today. We are here to open this statue, so let's get to it. Alright guys, so I have the smaller box here with the styrofoam. This is going to be the base, so let's go ahead and look how big this thing is going to be. A little stuck on the tape there. Oh my good lord. If this whole thing is the base, I'm in trouble. Oh my good lord. This is insane, guys. Insanely massive. This is, I think, bigger than the Killer Croc base, at least width-wise. Oh my gosh, that is... Here's my hand. Here's my hand. If you can just see... Holy, just gee, Merry Christmas. This is crazy. Okay, I do not know if I'm going to have room for this thing, but we're going to find out. All right, let me go ahead and open up the second box, and we'll see what's in there. All right, guys, here you can see how much bigger this box is compared to the last one. There is an upper section, kind of like what they do with capes, so I'm not exactly sure what is going to be in here. Let's see if I can get it open here. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is just the cape. Oh my god. Guys, this is the biggest thing in my collection. Wow. It is crazy big. Blue looks really good. Wow. Okay, so this is just the cape, and it goes down into basically this section. So Batman must be up here somewhere in the lower section. Let me go ahead and show you what that looks like. But again, this top section, literally just the cape. Alright guys, so here is the bottom section here. Let's see what we have in here. Let's see, we've got Batman's hand here first. Looks good. And then here we have his hand holding the Batarang. Okay. And here we have this balled up fist. And here, right here, we have the Green Lantern ring fist. And his other just plain fist there. Sorry again about the shadows. Alright, this is going to be his body. Wow, it is big. Okay, wow. Texturing, amazing. Absolutely amazing. Alright, then next up we have, looks like the Joker gun there. So that looks really good. And then this is going to be, ooh, Batman. Right here. Let's see, make sure we get him in focus for you guys. Looks really good. Classic blue. Looks really good. And then let's see who else we have in here. Got the smirking head sculpt there. And the angry sculpt there. And then that's going to be the Joker's bang flag right there. So I'll kind of zoom back here so you can see the whole deal here. All right, let's get him set up. Cannot wait. All right, guys, so we have the bottom styrofoam, and this is going to be the base. And I just, again, I cannot tell you how big this thing is. It is absolutely massive. And let's get it uncovered. Let's get it out of here, okay? So let's see if I can lift it out of here. Man, it is really big, guys. Really big. See if I can kind of set it here off to the side. I do want to pick it up for you guys and show you the size. Can you guys see how big this thing is? It is very heavy. Make sure I have it the right way for you guys. Yes, really cool. But again, just look at the size here. Absolutely crazy how big this thing is. Wow. Let me look it over. Make sure that it looks okay. Everything is looking good so far as I could tell. A little bit of shading, not a lot of detail. Actually, there's more detail than I think. But everything looking really good here. I think it's going to sit kind of like this. I'm going to tell you guys this base is going to take up some room. I'm not going to lie, it is one of the biggest bases I've ever seen on a statue, really big. Let me go ahead and get the next level of styrofoam and we'll get the body out. All right, so let's get out the body. I have them down here. And we'll start with that. If I can pry him out of here. Ooh, gosh, that is crazy. Kind of, you can hold this thing like a toddler. Look at that. That is amazing. The texture is the first thing I notice on this. Absolutely amazing texture. Great shading on the blue. Man, this is looking good. Heavy and big. Let's see how he keys in. I've heard some people have had a little bit of trouble with the key. So let's see how mine does. Okay, well mine went right in like a glove. Absolutely perfect. That's fantastic. No problem there at all. I'm guessing we need to do the arms next. So let's see if we can find some of those down in here. All right, I see a couple of them here. All right, so we have a couple of different things. We've got the hand with the batarang there. And we'll put that in here, just like that. This is the second of the two fists. This one is the kryptonite ring that Batman has to ward off Superman. See how this one's going to fit in here. Just like that. Perfect. And then I believe there should be, let's see if I can find it. There should be another fist. Yes, right here. It's identical to that one. If you don't want the ring, which I really don't, you can swap it out and have that look if you wish. Okay. I think, what else do we have in here? All right, we have the pistol and the bang flag. And that looks like it, yep, just goes into that. There is what looks like a little key back here. And so I'm going to put that in here. Yeah, it's perfect fit. I'll show you that close up whenever we do the review, but it just fits right in there. Really cool. All right, I think, I guess we do have one more pair of hands here. Okay, this is going to be the rope with the batarang. So kind of like the grapple, I guess. This is tied together in two pieces. So you can do the swap out. I'll show you what that looks like here in just a bit, probably in the review. But those all look really good. I'm amazed by the shading. Everything looks really good. Blacks and blues look really good together. Again, top-notch quality from Prime 1. I do not doubt it in any way, ever. I do want to go ahead and get the cape on next. We'll do that. And then I think we'll put the head sculpts on top of that. All right, guys, take a look at this thing. Is it even in the frame? Like, this is the biggest thing I think I've ever seen. Can you guys see how big this is? I mean, look at it in front of me. I cannot believe how big this thing is. This is polystone. It is not plastic. Gosh, it is just insane, guys. Look at that. I mean, just look at that. It's crazy. Oh my gosh. I'm speechless. I'm speechless here. Okay, so let me see how we put this in. You do have to kind of wiggle it down in there, but once it's down in there, really strong magnet, the weight of this thing is going to be perfect. Guys, the texture in this cape, I just wish you can see it. I can't wait to show this to you when we do the review, but the texturing in the cape, it looks like leather. Oh, this is so freaking awesome. Just really cool. Okay, so we need to do heads. There are 3 heads that come with this if you get the exclusive. So there is the angry portrait. Looks really amazing. Gosh, it just blows everything out of the water, guys. It really does. Absolutely fantastic. Next we have, all right, so this is going to be the exclusive. This is the smirking portrait. Looks absolutely amazing. Skin looks incredible, guys. Absolutely incredible. I'm going to go ahead and put that on here. Really strong magnet. Really cool. And then, last but not least, we have just the regular portrait. This one doesn't have as much stubble, so it's kind of interesting that they went that direction. But I just cannot believe how cool these look. This is such an awesome Jim Lee Batman. I am absolutely, truly speechless about this piece. It is as epic. I mean, that's the main word that I come with, epic. It is just such a large, massive piece. It is a centerpiece to your collection type collectible. It is going to get attention. I don't know if it is the best Batman statue ever made. I'm going to determine that when I do the review. But again, right now, I'm speechless, and the only word that comes to my mind is epic. Just absolutely fantastic here, okay? So that is the unboxing. Tune in tomorrow. I will have the full review up. I want to spend more time than I have tonight to do the review, so I will film that. I will have it up and available for all of you tomorrow, so make sure you check the channel out. And guys, just thank you so very much for watching. Please leave comments down below. Do you like this piece? Is this one that you ordered? Are you collecting the Hush line? Let me know, because again, I'm just initially very impressed with this piece. I cannot wait to review it. And again, it's going to be tomorrow, so definitely check out the channel tomorrow and see my full thoughts on this piece and how I rank it compared to the other pieces in my collection. But my initial thoughts, good, guys, really good. Again, thank you guys so very much for watching. Please give this video a like if you enjoyed it. That does help the channel out tremendously. And if you want to order this guy, I will have a link down below if you're interested in ordering him. Just an awesome piece, guys. Thank you guys so very much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you right here tomorrow in the Batcave. All right, guys, I can't leave you hanging. I always like to show a close-up of the statue so you can see it a little bit better. Again, I'll have full coverage tomorrow with my review, but I just want you to see how incredibly epic this piece is. Welcome to the Jim Lee Batman. Absolutely fantastic. See you guys tomorrow.